Hi friend, myself Sumanjay Kumar and welcome to my channel Education Adda. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a folder with no name. Yes, how to create a folder. Just first of all open the area where you want to create. Okay, suppose I have opened my computer and right now I'm just clicking on this local disk. Then after wherever you want to click, suppose that I have opened this document file. Now on the blank area of the desktop, right click on it, click on new and click on folder. In this folder, you see here new name, new folder is written. Erase, press Alt key from the keyboard and type 255, yes, and enter and click outside. Now you see here my folder and no name is written. You can do one more thing. You can put that, you can put even your picture on the icon. You can see this document file, Excel file. There are so many different types of files are there, and if you want to just put your picture on the icon, you can do it. But for that, I'll just teach you this thing in the next and coming videos. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you, and if you like this, please like, subscribe my channel. I'll be giving you more and more videos of the different segments. Thank you.